Today we're making gluten-free pizza. The dough is right here, and it's made with this Biscuit gluten-free pancake and baking mix. But instead of reading the recipe and doing what it says, we put in 1 egg and some water. It's supposed to have milk and all that, but we don't have that here. So, we never make a pizza with normal stuff. Alright, so we're going to use Alfredo sauce for the sauce because we don't really like red sauce here. Who am I kidding? There we go. And we also like pizzas that have a lot of stuff on them. So they're never your normal, ordinary pizza. They always have a lot of vegetables. And just stuff. So that was Alfredo sauce. And now I'm just using my hands. So the next thing I'm going to put on is sausage. And this is Bob Evans Italian sausage in the green pack. Because I'm super fancy. And just put it on however you want. Next are some onions. This pizza will probably weigh 500 pounds when we're done, but that's okay. Okay, next thing is broccoli. I know, weird, pizza with broccoli on it. That's not the weirdest yet. Some asparagus. Brussels sprouts. We cooked these earlier today in Italian salad dressing and then charred them a little bit to make sure that they were really yummy. Some mushrooms. These are hot peppers, hot banana peppers. Finish it with sauerkraut. You heard that right, sauerkraut. And then top the whole thing with cheese. This is a mound of pizza. One very large mound of pizza. Now we'll cook it for 20 to 25 minutes and see what comes out.